morning, Rax. Today is Friday, June 5th, and today is National Donut Day.
No way. Really?
Some places, even like Dunkin' Donuts, you can get a free donut with a beverage purchase. So there you go. Three big things for you today. Friday is Career Day, which means it'll highlight a career option for you. Broadcast news analyst could be in your future, especially if you like speaking in front of a camera, more so than being on Zoom. Episode 11 of Stories to Help You Fall Asleep will be dropping this evening from Martina. It is The Boarded Window by Ambrose Bierce, and it's a spooky one. You might want to be careful and bring a nightlight when you hear it. And don't forget to sign up for a time to pick up your items at school. You only got a couple of weeks to do so, and that form was sent out by Martina earlier in the week. No birthdays today, but tomorrow, happy birthday to Monique. Monique, happy birthday to Monique. Graham was just in with a workout with us yesterday, and that was cool. So we're almost to the finish line. There's like 6-7 more days of classes. I got 2 more weeks of phys ed workouts available if you want to get your grades caught up. You know, we're almost to that finish line, but we want to soak it up a little bit. Again, take the little kind of niceties of being stuck at home, around your family, getting up at the times you want, going to bed when you want. Cherish those because they're not going to last forever. That's for sure. Have a great weekend, Rax.